Yeah, man. We out here on the Grove, man. We do, man. Y'all busting the shit, man. No, we do it, goddamn. We out this bitch, boy. Don't fuck around down here, goddamn.
You bring that shit down here, nigga, you meet that shit.
Boy, you get whacked down this bitch, boy.
Hey, I'm loading up hollows.
Nigga, we in this motherfucker real quick, dog. That's how we'll be in your ass.
Well,
Leave
we
it right
out
there.
here.
Yeah, we gonna come on this side instead of shooting.
We out here on the Grove, boy.
We out here in the Grove, nigga. We in this bitch.
God damn. Hey, yeah, boy, we out here busting, boy.
Hold up, bro.
Yeah, I want to shoot that motherfucker. God damn right.
I just wanted to bust that shit.
Yeah, boy.
Is anything? All right, yes. It's in there. Go ahead. So they can't let me sit here.
Yeah, go ahead. Do it.
It's hard to hit that bitch though.
My shit ringing like a motherfucker, boy. We out here, boy.
Fuck it, cuz. We out here. You sign this pointing up. Boom! Fuck it, nigga. We out this bitch, y'all. We out this cigarette. How much is this? Like
7. We about 7, 8. Mine over there on the board.